Hey everybody, welcome to the Kit of the Year Awards. This is something that the manufacturers have been waiting on. Their employees are all stressed out. There's tension in the offices of these four companies trying to find out who is going to win the coveted Kit of the Year Award. This is so important that I probably should dress up for the situation. Now, you might be asking yourself, what qualifies me to rate these kits? I review a ton of kits, way more than ever make it on this channel. And so I have a pretty good idea of what's going on in the Arduino and Maker world between that and my Facebook group. So I wanted to present these kits to you. Now, every one of them is going to win an award. And that's not because I'm into participation awards and all that kind of stuff, but every one of these kits excels at something. But at the end of the day, there can only be one Kit of the Year. Now, I would like to start off with an honorable mention, and it is the OSOU Smart Home Kit, which is a very, very cool kit, and it wins my Form Factor of the Year award. I really hope they redesign this kit. It could have been the Kit of the Year fairly easily had they not used the Arduino Yun. I love the kit, love everything about it, super creative form factor, but I didn't like the actual Arduino board they used, and so for that reason it gets my Form Factor of the Year award, but is not here for the running of the Kit of the Year. Just to give you a quick rundown of the kits in no particular order, we have the Rexqualis Most Complete Starter Kit, which is one of the Arduino kits that contains a Mega. I'm a big fan of that. We have the Coding Array Starting Kit, and that is the board that's all self-contained that can be broken apart into individual pieces. We have the Keyestudio Honeycomb Wearable Kit for the Microbit, which I praised this kit because it actually came with the Microbit, felt like it was a good value. And then finally, we have the Freenove RFID Starter Kit. And I think I gave away some of these in my Arduino kit giveaway video. So, the first award that I will bestow is the Best Value Kit of 2019 goes to the Freenove FNK0034. This is a fantastic kit if you are concerned about value. It is $27.50 and is basically all you need to get started in the Arduino world. One of the things that I praise this kit for is that they keep the tutorials up to date. It's a basic kit, includes an Uno, but I love that they included things like the RFID and real actual electronics components. And so for $27.50, this isn't exactly the cheapest kit on the market, but in my mind, it is the best of the value kits because of the parts that are included, because of the updated instructions, and because you can get it off of Amazon and have it here in 2 days as opposed to waiting for this kit to come from China. So, congratulations to Freenove. You have won the Best Value Kit of the Year. And my next award goes to Rexqualis for the Best Traditional Kit of 2019. The thing I loved about this kit was that it contained an actual Mega and a lot of parts that you wouldn't find in some of the other kits. This one retails for $49.99 and has just some really good parts in it. Includes a power supply, an actual Mega code on the disc, and things like that. And up until this point, I had been recommending the Elegoo kits for the Mega, and I still love Elegoo, no harm to Elegoo, but this kit actually comes in at $10 cheaper, and I would consider it a pretty equivalent kit. So Rexqualis did a great job putting out a great kit at a great price, and they win the Best Traditional Kit of 2019. This comes down to a very, very tough decision. These kits are so different, and they have incredibly different audiences, with one exception, that the STEM community, the education community, loves both of these kits, and with good reason. We have the Keyestudio kit, which includes the Microbit, which was made by BBC, and this is just a great kit for interfacing with that platform. And then you have the Coding Array Starter Kit, which is designed by a smaller company in South Korea. And both of them have their pros, both of them have their cons, but unfortunately, I can only choose one. So, the runner-up for the Kit of the Year 2019 is the Keyestudio Micro Kit. And again, I cannot tell you how hard of a decision this was. Let me tell you the things I love about this kit. I love that it included the microbit. So many starter kits that you look at from microbit don't actually include the board, and Keyestudio did. They did it at a great $50 price point. They have great instructions. This is a fantastic kit, and to be honest, the difference is the main reason why I leaned against this kit for Kit of the Year is primarily I'm fighting for the underdog. This the actual microbit itself was designed by the BBC, owned by the British government, and massive corporation, and so I'm giving the nod to the little guy. But this kit is not a kit to sleep on. In fact, it wins my Best Kit for Kids award. This kit is something that you could just hand to a kid and walk away and they can figure it out. And there's something to be said for that. So if you have somebody who is in the 7 to 13, 14-year-old range who is interested in computers and coding but just kind of wants to jump in, they're kind of a self-starter, this is the kit to go with. And it's a fantastic kit. I have a whole video on it. Which means that the 2019 Kit of the Year award goes to the Coding Array. I have had absolutely no qualms about proclaiming my love for the Coding Array. What I love about it, it is an all-inclusive board that requires no wiring up front. And my feeling is that when you're first trying to learn this stuff, learning electronics and wiring and learning coding at the same time can be a pretty big challenge. And so I love the way that they broke up the idea of the code that goes on the Arduino from the wiring. And as a STEM teacher, I love the idea that you can hand out this very complicated looking board to all the students, and as long as these switches are in the right place, you don't really have to think about wiring. So it's a perfect tool for using to teach coding the first semester and getting deeper into electronics the second semester. And so you can break this apart, and I've done bunches of videos on the Coding Array. I just think this is a fantastic platform for teachers. It's a fantastic platform to learn how to code in groups. And again, you won't go wrong buying this, but if I had to put my money down for one for the Board of the Year, the Kit of the Year, I am giving the award to Coding Array. So if you agree, disagree, feel free to let me know in the comments. If you guys have a better board, let me know in the comments. There are links to all these boards in the description. And next year, I might offer a different type of contest. But for this year, the Kit of the Year goes to the Coding Array. Boom. Thanks for watching.